In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change reminder or the oil life indicator on this Chevy Equinox. Let's get started. With the ignition on, whether the engine is running or not, this is what you'll see, and you'll have to use these buttons here to navigate through the screen. If you press the menu button, that brings you over to the options, and mine looks like is already set to display the remaining oil life. However, you can use the up and down arrows to navigate through the options, and then if you press the set/clear button, it'll ask you if you want to reset it. So you scroll up one to yes, and then hit set. There we go, that's set to 100%, which means it is now clear.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.